don't need an adventure bike. I can go off-road. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly&Ride here. Another awesome video for you today. It is beautiful out in New Jersey. It's about 63 degrees. You can tell the colors are still looking awesome on the foliage. And I'm going to take you off for another awesome ride. Check out some amazing places in New Jersey. I've got the drone with me, so we're going to launch a drone, as always, on this ride. And it's beautiful out, so I'm actually using my half helmet today. I'm not using the full face to give you the usual frontal view, but I do have my GoPro Hero 9 with the max lens, and it'll give you a nice different view still of the cockpit, but from the top. So let me know down in the comments what you think about this view. Not a lot of talking on this video because I don't have I'm just using the external mic on the GoPro Hero 9, and basically just going out for an awesome quick ride, taking you with me, showing you some of the amazing places New Jersey has to offer, and launching the drone to show you some cinematic footage as we do. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Fly&Ride, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO Sand Dune that you see right there. I also feature cinematic drone footage flying my DJI Mavic 2 drone, and I do product reviews, ride videos, testing out all motorcycles, but mainly all of my 2020 Street Glide CVO Sand Dune. So if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you as the channel continues to grow. Also remember to hit that like button. It really does help out with the channel. And remember to hit that little bell notification so you could be reminded of future videos like this one. So again, not a lot of talking in this video, showing you the beautiful scenery. We're gonna put some good tunes on. We'll fly the drone. So enjoy the ride. adventure bike friends. Adventure bike, I can go off-road. Let's launch the drone. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that awesome drone footage. Little off-road action for some of my adventure friends, just to show you that the Harley can still do it. Slow, but can definitely do it. Alright, do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also remember to hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you as the channel continues to grow. And remember to hit that bell notification so that you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.